contain something for sure. Oh, giant bird.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. It is currently Tuesday and 9:30 a.m. here, so we have just begun work. Just finished going through all of my emails, replied to some of the more urgent ones. I'm gonna deal with some mail I have here now, things that I need to like return and reply to and stuff like that. And then honestly, I think I'm going to wash my hair after that. I really, it needs to be washed. It's probably 2 days past when it should have been washed. And I think we're gonna bring the curls back because I just don't feel like dealing with straightening my hair today. Straight hair might come back later this week, I don't know, but for now we are going to bring the curly girls back. Gonna be a super busy day today though. I have a lot of work to get done as well as a lot of errands to run. So we're gonna be out and about later this afternoon. I'm hoping that I can get all of my work done by like 4 so that I can go start running errands then and be home by like 6 or 6:30. We'll see how it goes. Okay team, just got out of the shower. Did my hair, the curls are here. I'm excited to see them again, honestly, because it's just always fun. Didn't film any of it because I was just on FaceTime with Tara doing a quick little catch up. But I did try a new product in my hair, so I'm intrigued to see how it works. So this is the Bread Beauty Hair Gel Curl Capturing Gloss. It actually smelled so good. It had such a nice consistency to it, like texture. So I'm excited to see how the curls turn out with a little new product in there. And now we are back to work. I think, yeah, it's 10:30 and I'm about to hop into some editing. So I'm gonna try to get a full video done, at least like the first rough edit of it before lunch. So I'm diving in. I have to tell you guys, I am so proud of myself. I'm having such a good and productive day. I'm breezing through projects, just getting stuff off my plate. It feels amazing. And it is now 1 o'clock, so I'm gonna have some lunch. I actually just heated up some leftover ramen that I had from yesterday, so that's perfect. And I think I'm actually gonna work from the couch for this next little bit because the next kind of big task that I have to do is more admin work, like just entering a ton of stuff into monday.com, which is like a project tracking website. And so it's kind of like mindless, easy work. So I'm gonna sit on the couch and I'm gonna have Survivor playing in the background because I totally forgot that this season of Survivor that I'm rewatching right now, season 31, goes offline tomorrow. And I don't know if that means end of day tomorrow or like midnight tonight, but I would really like to finish it if I can. I don't think I have many episodes left. Really disappointed they're getting rid of so many of the really good old seasons. I'm just like, why? Okay, yeah, I have like 3 episodes left. Very doable if it's just playing in the background while I eat and do this little bit of work. I'll probably just finish it like before I'm done with my work. I'm excited. Okay friends, it is a couple minutes before 4 and we are heading out to do our errands. Very successful day, very productive, feeling good about that. Oh, I forgot that I need to run inside and grab something that I need to return. What are we gonna do first after I grab that? I think we're gonna do the return first because that's in the opposite direction of everything else. So we'll just get that done and then be able to like work in one direction. One direction. I can't say one direction without thinking about one direction. Let's go grab the thing I forgot. This is just a little Princess Polly top that I need to return. I got it in my regular size and it even looks like my regular size, but there is just barely any stretch on this shirt and it could not get past my shoulders. And slash, once I got it past my shoulders, I couldn't get it like straightened down. It just was a little too small. So we're exchanging for a bigger size. Let's go deal with this.
This one today.
Awesome, thank you very much.
All right, no pressure. Hey there, how are you?
Easy peasy, and they take USPS is what I'm trying to say. I always blip. USPS returns here at Staples, so I was able to drop off the box that I've been meaning to drop off for quite some time, so success. And now our next step is actually going to be to Michael's. I'm working on a bit of a secret project right now, which I can't tell you guys anything about yet, but I'm really excited about it and I definitely will tell you guys about it later this month. I need to pick up some supplies for it. Up 1 floor to Michael's. It's so bright and sunny out now. I'm loving it. It was such a gross gray day today. Also so funny, I never come to Michael's unless it's Christmas, so nice little change. Definitely need some blue paint. So let's have a look here. Pull up a reference. Okay. This one is looking pretty good. I'm gonna keep looking though if there's a smaller one. Although, I don't know, maybe I will need one this big. Actually, I think this is perfect. we're just gonna go with it.
I also need some wood pieces. Unfortunately, I'm not seeing anything that's exactly what I need, but I'm pretty sure that we can make these work, these guys. So I'm just gonna get a ton of these. Changed my mind on the paint. I'm just gonna get this big pack because I'm kind of unsure of exactly what I'm gonna use. Okay, I think I found everything on our list and I'm excited, but kind of nervous. It was kind of hard making decisions about this stuff by myself. Thank you. Alrighty, we just arrived at Trader Joe's. By the way, I brought a sparkling watermelon juice in the car with me. It's so good. Oh, another, by the way, I feel like the hair is looking pretty good. We'll see how the curls like hold with this gel. But I mean, all things considered, they are looking defined. They're looking hydrated. I love my curly hair so much. Also, I got the best parking that I've ever gotten in my life at Trader Joe's. It's a good day. Honestly, what is life without some burrata? Let's do it. And this was so good the last time I got it. That's Trader Joe's complete. Just realizing that I just put away all the groceries without doing a haul for you. I am so sorry. Honestly, it was a lot of regular stuff. The only like newish stuff that I got these last time and they were amazing. These spicy tempura seaweed snacks. I literally ate the whole bag in one day. I mean, it's only 2 servings in the whole bag according to like these things, and who listens to these things anyway? But you know, still. And then I spotted these rice cracker medley, and I freaking love rice crackers, so I got these also. But honestly, the rest of the stuff I think was just my normal Trader Joe's goodies, so you didn't miss much. And it is 6:30 now, so I think I'm just gonna chill for a little while, and then I'm going to start working on dinner. I decided to film making dinner for TikTok, so I didn't film it for the vlog, but it was honestly the most simple thing ever. Let me show you. Just made a spaghetti. I chopped up about 3/4 of a tomato, and then I sauteed the tomato for like maybe 3 minutes in some butter, garlic, and olive oil. Add a little pasta water, threw the pasta back in there, and this is what we ended up with. I just wanted a really light, summery pasta, and this is definitely doing the trick. And I'm gonna watch some more Marvelous Mrs. Maisel tonight. By the way, the peonies are looking so pretty over there. It's a little empty in the vase, but whatever, it's fine. This is the plan. It is literally 9:07 p.m. and I am already in bed, which feels amazing. And I'm going to have a bed snack, which I really never eat in bed. I don't like have a rule against it or anything, but I just like don't. I don't know, I don't hang out in bed that often, except in the mornings. But anyway, I'm gonna have a bed snack because I just felt like getting in bed today. And I want to try these rice crackers from Trader Joe's that I got today. They smell really good. They're just so yummy. Very into this snack. Molly, 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 Molly. Good morning, you guys. Whoa, this is not a very good angle. Let's spin you around. Good morning. It's a couple minutes before 9, so I'm just getting myself a little coffee here. I read a bunch this morning of my book, and oh my gosh, it's just getting so good. It actually just left me on such a crazy cliffhanger. I need to get back to reading that today for sure. I'm loving it. Yeah, today's probably gonna be a bit of a shit day, to be honest. Really not looking forward to it. Not feeling good about it. So I've woken up in a great mood, as you can tell. Whatever. We're not gonna think about this right now. I'm gonna go get started on my emails, and we will chat in a little while about just whatever's going on. Okay, friends, we are back. And I'm feeling better than I was when I first spoke to you this morning. I just really focused in on work for a little while and, I don't know, ignored my problems. But now the time has come that they cannot be ignored any longer. I'm not putting on any makeup, by the way. I'm just doing some skincare right now. It is not a makeup day for me. But basically, today is the day that I have to go in for a follow-up PAP because my last one that I did in December did not come back clear. Never followed up on that. I know I spoke to you guys about this in December, at least I'm pretty sure. But never did a follow-up because it wasn't good news. And that was just honestly really upsetting to me because I just feel like I never freaking get good news when I go through this shit. I'll link some old videos for you down below if you want more details on this, but long story short, I basically have had a lot of issues with some precancerous cells showing up on PAPs. This time they were the most mild that they have ever been, which is really, really good. So I'm trying to keep a positive perspective on that. So basically today is the check. Have they gotten even less and maybe cleared themselves up just with my natural immune system, which can definitely happen, does happen all the time? Or have they gotten worse and we need to look at potentially doing a procedure, which I have gotten procedures done before and they are really not fun. So I would really prefer if that was not the, you know, path that we went down here. Just every time I go in, this just causes me so much stress and anxiety, and I don't know, honestly today I feel kind of numb about it. One, because it feels like I never really get good news, so that's just kind of what I'm expecting at this point. Whoa, my sunscreen just firing at me. And two, just because I am not going to get results for a couple of weeks anyway, so there's really no point in stressing myself out too much about it now, when I won't know for a while anyway. But obviously, inevitably, it is very stressful and anxiety inducing, and I am really not happy about it. Okay, see, this is why I didn't like to talk about it, because then I start to just get in my head about it. So anyway, I guess that's everything I'm gonna say about that. Just the way it goes today, and you know, we just gotta live with that, is what it is. So I need to leave in about 15-ish minutes, so I think I'm just gonna go brush my teeth, get changed, get ready to head out, because my doctor's actually all the way in downtown from when I used to live there. Although now my old doctor, who I was obsessed with, he was the absolute friggin' best and like made me feel so much better about this whole journey. He left because he went back to school. So I've had a new doctor these past couple times, maybe actually only the one time in December. It's the first time I saw her. She's really nice too, but like I do feel like I need to just switch to a doctor closer to me, because the only reason I was staying at that doctor is because I just felt really close to the one doctor who doesn't work there anymore. So really I was planning on like my December PAP coming back clear, and then I could transition with like a clear PAP. But obviously that didn't happen. So hopefully this one comes back clear and then I can transition. Okay guys, everything is done and complete, and you know what, it really was fine. I always forget how fast it is. Like it literally is like a 30-second situation. So since I'm having a kind of shitty day, I decided that I'm going to treat myself for lunch and go and check out this like Sprouts 50% off sushi thing that apparently they do every Wednesday. Only heard about it on TikTok. I don't even know if it's true or not, but we're gonna go to a Sprouts. I don't really live near a Sprouts, and I happen to be going kind of past one going back home, so it really is just the perfect opportunity. Cheer myself up with some sushi, and I finally get to check out this Sprouts thing that I've been wanting to, so win-win as far as I can tell. So let's do it, let's head to Sprouts. Okay, we have arrived. I'm only seeing signs for Target, now that I'm in the parking garage, but there was a big Sprouts sign outside. So I don't know what the deal is, but hopefully I can find a Sprouts here, but I guess I'm taking the Target elevators up. Ah yes, see, Sprouts, level 2. Okay, confirmed. So we're gonna pick out some rolls now. Okay, my total ended up being $11 for 2 big rolls too. I'm pretty sure it comes with 9 pieces each. I love it. Okay, look at this sushi, you guys. I know that I said that it's 9 pieces each, but it's actually 12 pieces each. So it was 24 pieces of sushi for $11. That is an amazing deal. Now, of course, do I think this is going to be like the #1 best, most high quality sushi that I've ever had? No, of course not. Obviously it is supermarket sushi, but still, this is a like very solid lunch. Okay, should we try a piece? So yummy. That sushi was seriously so good, you guys. And look at how much I have left, like almost an entire extra roll because I got full. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have literally been on the phone like non-stop with multiple friends since like 4 p.m. Just so many random calls today, and it was lovely, but now it's almost 8 p.m. It's 7:50 and my brain just feels like mush. Like I cannot deal. I can't do it anymore. So we need to figure out something to make for dinner. Ideally something super quick. So originally thinking of doing something kind of fun, but now it's late because so many people were calling me. Do I just eat the leftovers of my sushi? That's super lame, but I guess I should eat something other than sushi today. I'm thinking I'm just gonna make a veggie bowl. I'm just gonna chop up a bunch of veggies, keep them all raw, throw them with some rice, call it a day. Let's do it. Literally, this dinner looks so sad. Also, you can hardly see it because I put arugula on top, but we have rice, cucumber, tomato, avocado, and arugula, and I'm just gonna put some kind of sauce on this and call it a day. What kind of sauce though? Ooh, we have some options. What am I feeling? What am I craving? Obviously, sriracha's coming out. I'm kind of feeling maybe a little yum yum sauce and a little sriracha ranch. When you have a boring ass dinner like this, you need the sauces to spice things up, of course. Maybe some feta cheese on there too. I don't know how that'll be with all of these flavors, but cheese is always good, right? Okay, there's dinner. Very boring, but it'll taste good, so whatever, who cares? Let's eat. Well, you guys, it is the end of the night here, and by that I mean it is 9:15 p.m. and I'm getting in bed again. I just feel like reading my book and like chilling out, but I do have to say that episode of Maisel that I just watched is legit one of my favorite episodes of television that I have ever seen. It's episode 6 of the current season, or like the last season. What is it, season 4, I think? And it just seriously blew my mind. It was so creative. It was so funny. It was heartwarming. I loved it, and I love this show, and I am so sad that it's ending. Oh my god, so disappointing. But it seems like they're going out on a really high note, so I'm loving it. And this is the end of the line for me. So thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a great weekend.